In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Canva design to your computer. So for example, you're editing this one and you want to save this to your computer. All you have to do is click on the icon here. So you will see here the option download. So you can click that one, but before that, you can see here a lot of options. For example, you want to send the link, but before you do that, you have to change the access or who can access the link that you wanted to send. So just click this one and change to anyone with the link so that anyone can edit this template as long as they have the link. So in here, you can send the template that has been done to your any social media account. You can also duplicate it. You can also save it to your Google Drive. Let's go on and download the template. But before that, you can choose the file type that you want. For example, JPEG, PDF, or Microsoft, whatever file type that you want. So once you're done choosing, just go ahead and click on download. So downloading means saving the templates into your computer. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.